Welcome to the Kia Site on the Block tutorials. This tutorial is going to cover how to work with your text editor. To do that, we're going to go into a location where the text editor is used often, and that's the Content and then Article Manager, where we see a list of our static pages. We're going to click on Home Page, and here you'll see the standard text editor. Now this is the basic text editor that comes pre-installed with your software. There are some other editors that we can install for you that give you some more options and that are more complex, but this has the basic operations and allows you to do everything pretty simply. Now up here you'll notice the bars. It's kind of like programs such as WordPerfect, Microsoft Word. You'll see bold, italic, underline, and strike through. The way you use those is you enter the text that you want on your page, and you can select them. And the text that you select, you can then click the buttons to get the correlating actions, such as italic, underline, strike through, and you just click it again to make it go away. There are also things such as the left align, right align, and center. There are some preset styles, which you probably won't use a whole lot, but the paragraph formatting is something that you might use, and it gives you different formatting for your paragraph text. So say we want to add a title up at the top. We're just going to go ahead and click here up at the top, write our title, and instead of just making it bold, which doesn't make it much larger, you can actually go and you can select a heading. Once you select that heading and you apply it, if you go into the front end of your website, you'll notice it's much larger than the original text. There's a few different presets that you can use, and you can play around with what works best for you. On the second line, you'll notice bullet points and numeric lists, which when you're wanting to make lists, you can click this and it'll actually make it into a bullet point for you. That way when you click enter, you'll see the next bullet line, and you can go down as far as you'd like. Now you can click that to take it away from the line, or you can add it back into it. You can also, once you've created a line, you can use the indent tabs to make it indented or to bring it back. There's also an undo button, which is nice. If you make any changes that don't turn out how you want, you can always undo and redo them. The next one on the list is the insert link button. So say this is a text that we want to link to the actual home page. We just go up here and hit insert edit link. You get a pop-up, and this is where we put the URL for the site that we're wanting to link to. So we do Google. Now this next target line is actually what window you want it to open to. Not set, we'll just leave it in the same window, so they'll actually leave the page they're on and go to the page you are linking to. Open link in the same window, we'll do the same thing, and open link in a new window will open a completely new window, leaving the original page open on the computer screen. Click insert and you'll notice that it's now hyperlinked. You can do the same with an image, and you can link the image and unlink an image. We can go here and just click on it, and to get rid of that link we just hit this unlink, and it's no longer a hyperlink. Now insert and edit an image. The place, if you've already uploaded your image to your site, you can start there. However, most of the time you're going to need to start at this image button down at the bottom left corner. You click image, and you'll see a list of the images that you've already uploaded to your website. You can then click that image and hit insert, and it'll insert it again. Also from that image you can go down and upload new images to your website. These are more advanced buttons using the anchor tool and the messy cleanup code, a help button, and you can actually click HTML to view your HTML source code. If you have some HTML that you want to paste into your site, this is not the method to do it. We actually have a tutorial on entering HTML. This editor will clean up any foreign code, so if you paste code in here that the editor doesn't recognize, it'll automatically remove it, and that's just so you can keep your HTML as clean as possible. You've also got to insert break lines, and you can insert subscripts as well as custom characters.